So here's another email marketing tip that can really help you out. The best way to get people to read your emails all the way through is to write them in a storytelling framework. And if you haven't read Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller, I would highly recommend to read that book. But it basically talks about the storytelling framework, and every good movie follows this exact framework. So it starts off with the character, and then that character has a problem. And then they meet a guide who gives them a plan. And the guide calls the character to action. And when the main character takes action, their plan either ends in success or disaster. Now, I might have just ruined movies for you, because when you understand this framework, any good movie that follows this framework, more than likely you're going to be able to predict what's going to happen next in the movie. But anyways, when you use this exact framework in your emails, people who are going to read those emails, they're going to see themselves as the main character. Even though you're telling your story in your emails, people are going to picture themselves as the main character going through that same scenario.